Senapati District Students Association has raised questions against Assam Rifles for escorting Kuki-armed militants in Senapati District during early hours. Speaking at a press conference which was held at Sdsa office yesterday, Sdsa President Saloni Tony claimed that Sdsa has witnessed the incident on the adjoining midnight of February 22nd and 23rd. He expressed concerns over Assam Rifles escorting Kuki militants in the district, citing it as a kind of threat to the people who have remained neutral in the ongoing conflict. He also questioned the motive of Assam Rifles, whether the central force is plotting to create animosity among various communities in the district. Saloni Tony also questioned Assam Rifles DG for meeting Kuki armed militant group leaders amid the unrest in the state, while expressing that paramilitary force should not associate with any armed groups. Instead, they should put effort in restoring normalcy in the state.
We wish to question the unwarranted escort of the militant by the Assam Rifle in the WR, in spite Senapati being a relatively peaceful district, given the unfortunate tremor in the state. Senapati District Student Association questioned the intention of the Assam Rifle, whether they want to bring mistrust and confusion among the peace-loving citizens of the district and other neighboring communities. Senapati District Student Association questioned the intention of DG Assam Rifle calling top Kuki militants leader for talk in this challenging time in our district.